Elieves.
Hello and welcome to the Growth Marketing module. This is Vijay Sharma here from Flipkart. I started my professional journey in the digital world, and over my entire professional experience, I have seen both the internet in India evolve and seen digital businesses come and become the center of our economy. That growth marketing largely is in the test, learn, and scale model. And what it means is that you're thinking about various things. You're thinking about uh, the product, you're thinking about the consumer, you're thinking about marketing, and you're thinking about data that can come from consumers to build. So what that means is that there's a slight shift in the mindset that we have. And that mindset is called as the growth mindset, wherein instead of simply looking deep into an area of focus, be it a channel, be it a medium, be it a tactic that you are very well used to, what you are also building is a deep understanding of the entire organization, of your core business and the driver. So in the early parts of your career, and largely traditional marketing has operated in an I framework, wherein expertise and depth is what is considered to be the most important thing. So as you grow from an entry level executive to a manager to a senior manager, and in your larger organization, you largely grow on the back of expertise and depth, wherein you take deep understanding of a single platform or domain. So let's say you started your career with SEM, right? What you'll do is you will go really deep into SEM. Then you'll apply your learnings from SEM into other related platforms. Like you'll apply your learnings of keywords on SEO. You will apply your learnings of bidding on programmatic media. Or what you will do is you will try, one channel in detail, and you will try and learn other channels also in detail, right? So that's what the traditional mindset of building your career in marketing is. However, with the introduction of growth marketing, we are seeing that there's a sharp shift that is needed in this mindset, wherein along with the depth that you build on specific domains, what is also very, very important is that we build width, wherein there are certain specialist skills that you've developed in the start of your career, right? You continue to hone them. A big example of that is acquisition marketing, because at the center of growth is really driving more acquisition. And this is where your understanding of communication, your understanding of channels really comes in. However, we start adding specialist skills like how do referrals program work? What really is the way in which you activate and onboard new users? How does product interact with marketing, which is what is marketing automation, and what does the marketing tech stack look like, which allows you to understand the interplay between data and consumer a little better, and you understand how do you do consumer conversion optimization a little better. These are broadly the specialist skills that you develop as you get into understanding growth marketing a little better. On top of these specialist skills, then you build up a few generalist skills, which are good to have skills if either you build them yourself or you hire people in your team who have these, which give you a broader understanding of how can you amplify the specialist skills a little better. So these will be, how are you building propositions for customer? How are you building, how is your customer interacting with your product, which is the UI and UX understanding, a sharper understanding of copy and design and its interplay with your channels. And finally, a better understanding of customer retention. And then finally, you also build on a few fundamental skills, uh, understanding data, understanding consumer behavior, a mindset of learnability. Whenever you have a few base fundamentals, if you're challenged to that, can you learn new fundamentals while you're at it, right? Can you build experimentation frameworks completely, and can you build technical skills? So what you do is you learn a little bit about all of these. So you build width while you are also building depth around acquisition marketing and a few of these as well. So you go away from what was an I framework, which was pure play depth, into a T framework, wherein you're building width across multiple skills that you know a little bit of, that you'll be able to leverage as you work with cross-functional teams, while you continue to build your depth around your core understanding of either channels, acquisition, or of communication, and using that to drive more consumers into the funnel.
Them. So I am eagerly awaiting to see you folks on the other side as we get into the journey with growth.